We are now in the fourth quarter. This is the best time of year to be selling anything, especially print on demand. And if you're not doing what I'm gonna show you in this video, you are missing out on big opportunities to make even more money in the niches you're already in. I'm barely adding any extra work to your plate with what I'm gonna show you in this video. And this is something I did on my journey that I know for a fact works. So let's get to it. I'm gonna reveal to you what it is. So the tip I wanted to convey in this video that could double, maybe even triple your sales is to take the designs that are already selling and offer them on complementary products based on the niche that you're selling in. Certain niches are more likely to sell certain products. I'm gonna show you a bunch of examples in this video, but the assumption I'm making is that you're probably like me. You probably got started selling t-shirts or sweatshirts. I mean, to this day, my most commonly sold product is a t-shirt. That doesn't mean I don't make my designs available on additional products, and some make more sense than others. So especially when you're using Printify, you have access to a huge catalog of print-on-demand products that can be fulfilled oftentimes around the world. It is criminal not to leverage this to expand and scale your print-on-demand business. So I'm gonna put a link in the description so you can sign up for Printify, and I'm gonna put a code so you get a free month of Printify Premium, which means you get the highest profit margins possible, all right? That's in the description. Now, every product I show you is gonna be listed in Printify. The first example I wanted to show you guys is, have you guys noticed like Excel, or I should say spreadsheets as a niche sells extremely well, not just on t-shirts, but have you ever looked at like coffee mugs on Amazon or on Etsy? For some reason, the spreadsheets niche on coffee mugs makes a ton of sales. So if you're just theoretically selling in the spreadsheets niche, right? And don't infringe on Microsoft Excel or put an Excel logo, but spreadsheets, that's fair game, okay? Take your t-shirt design that's selling and put it on a coffee mug. That is simple and easy to do, and it is a very complimentary product to people who would be purchasing the t-shirt. Also, if you've got a Shopify store, this is an easy upsell on their way to the checkout. Every example I'm gonna show you will be. So how about this? How about targeting students, whether it's high school, whether it's college, and offering them wireless earbud carrying cases? Did you know you can customize those in Printify? Well, now you do, guys. Another low-hanging fruit, easy, complimentary product you can offer. Guys, it wasn't that long ago, at least doesn't feel like it was that long ago, that I was a college student myself. I went straight from doing my undergrad to doing grad school, straight into teaching. I mean, I don't even know. It was definitely over 10 years, probably like 11 or 12 years straight of being on a college campus. I honestly love the environment, and I know firsthand, as well as a lot of you guys probably do, students love to have their wireless earphones in, and they need a carrying case for them. So jump on into Printify and offer your best-selling t-shirt designs that are related to being a student, like in this case, senior class of 2024, offer that on wireless earbud cases. How about the next one? Fishing. Okay, funny fishing shirts. There is a million different sub niches for funny fishing shirts. And I mean, come on now, guys. You got to get behind this one with me, right? Sell it on a beer koozie. It's in the Printify catalog as a can cooler. So take your funny fishing designs, make them available on beer koozies. That is one of the most easy complimentary products I could possibly think of. Honestly, it inspired this video. I'm not going to lie. Next one. How about funny shirts related to liking to sleep in or not liking to wake up early? I hate waking up early. I hate waking up to alarm in general. I know I can't be alone there. I used to have to wake up before 6 a.m. when I was in like high school and middle school because my parents both worked early jobs. They had to take me to daycare before school. Maybe not high school, middle school, but you know what I mean. So I'm not a morning person is what this shirt says. How about making that available on a pillow or pillowcase, right? Pillowcases also. So that's an easy one because people who don't like to get up early, they like pillows so they can sleep. Here's one. We have elections coming up in 2024. Lots of people get excited about endorsing their favorite candidate. Well, how about making those available on stickers, right? Bumper stickers. That is a really easy, anybody in the United States, I'm sure you've seen people with the bumper stickers endorsing their candidate. Also yard signs, another easy one. How about this? Golf shirts All right, golf as a niche, and hats. Anybody who likes to golf, correct me if I'm wrong, you know, I don't go golfing that often, but you don't want the sun in your eye, so you got to wear a hat and keep the sun out of your eye so you can be an effective golfer and shoot a nice low round. That is easy. And also, you know, pay attention, if you do embroidery hats, you may need to make alterations to your design. For instance, you can probably take funny golf shirts and maybe remove the graphic, just include the text. Or if you do include the graphic, simplify it a little bit so that there won't be any issues embroidering it. How about this? Motivational t-shirts, right? Like uplifting message t-shirts. Take the design, make it available on a matte poster. You guys have seen the matte, you know, the motivational posters, right? The cat hanging onto a tree branch that says, hang in there, stuff like that. I thought that was an easy low-hanging fruit. And of course, Printify can fulfill posters in various sizes of various types. So check those out. Another one, this might be a little bit of a stretch, but it was inspired by me actually looking at Amazon, at Etsy. A lot of people are gifting candles. So you might see a shirt that says, and I've sold in this niche before since years ago. I didn't even do research. I honestly it just popped in my mind. I was like, that's easy. My favorite X, where X is a variable, got me this shirt. So in this case, my favorite child got me this shirt. Well, you can take that design, swap the word shirt out for candle, and then upload it to a candle. My favorite child got me this candle. My favorite brother got me this candle. My favorite sister got me this candle. You guys get it. How about this? Phone cases for people buying shirts related to being addicted to their phones, being addicted to to Wi-Fi, addicted to the internet, addicted to the black mirrors, right? Simple enough. I mean, everybody has a smartphone at this point, so really you can translate any winning t-shirt design into a phone case. All right, it doesn't need to be in a specific niche, but I figured the niche related to using the internet was low-hanging fruit. And here is a really obvious one. Market your designs that are related to being a writer on notebook covers. I mean, come on, put it on a notebook cover, because what do you do in notebooks? You write. So take your designs related to being a good writer, put it on a notebook. Simple, simple, simple. This is why they pay me the big bucks, guys. I mean, come on. All right, I think we're nearing the end here. People who love water, people who stay hydrated, right? Hydration specialist, high quality H2O, make it available on a tumbler. All right, yes, Printify fulfills the tumblers as well. And then also, I mean, hey, if it's gonna go on a tumbler, why not sell the tumbler wrap design as well? We know how big of a trend that was in 2023. And here is, I think, the last one. It is market your designs that are related to tropical environments, being outdoors, the beach, etc. Like this design says, this is my Hawaiian shirt. When I think of Hawaii, I think about the beach, baby. It's been too long. I need to go back, man. It's amazing. Sell it on swimsuits. All right. In this example, it's a bikini, but they can also fulfill swim trunks for men. All right. So anything beach, tropical weather related, take that niche, tailor it to swimsuits. And finally, guys, how about ornaments? All right, anybody who's been subscribed to, you know, some other big print-on-demand YouTubers, you've probably seen people talking about ornaments, because print-on-demand ornaments sell extremely well, and those sales really pick up in the fourth quarter. So take your Christmas designs that are already selling, right? And it doesn't have to be generic Christmas, all right? People who sell generic Christmas stuff, it seems like they seldom find success, because what keywords are you competing on? Christmas shirt, right? That's too generic. How about bowling Christmas shirt, like you see in this design on this slide, right? Take that theme. If it's selling, then you've already validated that there's demand. Make it available on a Christmas ornament. Printify makes these available, and they have a nice, healthy profit margin in them. So check that out, guys. Oh, no, there's one more. All right, guys, last one. How about this? I'm so freaking cold. So the niche is related to being cold. My girlfriend, Marielle, she's always cold, right? What do you think of when you think of being cold? You think of putting some nice warm socks on, or even double socking. Hey, Printify can fulfill socks as well. So again, low-hanging fruit, easy. Oh my God, there's another one. Whoops, I forgot how many I did. How about this? Watching TV and having a nice, comfortable plush blanket. You can sell these blankets as well, market them to people. I mean, when you're under a blanket, what are you doing? You're probably in bed, you know, watching TV, or maybe you're just on the couch, nice comfy blanket, watching TV, Netflix and chill, etc. Easy. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. I'm not just making this video to make it, no joke. Like, if you go back in time, look at my income reports from 2017, look at my income reports on my blog or my YouTube channel, honestly, you know, link in just click the little channel icon. In 2017, when I first started with print on demand, I realized, like, later in the year, not initially at the beginning, but probably 6 months later, that I can take my Amazon seller account or my Etsy account. I mean, Etsy was 2018, and I can take my designs that I already made for Amazon merch t-shirts and list them on additional products. This really helped me build up to 6-figure profit every single year. By the way, if you want to learn exactly how I do six-figure profits every year, check out my full print on demand course. It is linked in the description, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Check out Printify. They have a massive catalog. They have way more products than I showed you in this video. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video.